The Supreme Court did not get involved in religious symbols on public property until the 1980s. The first case was in 1983. The Supreme Court has not done a very good job with these cases. They basically made everybody mad. The very first case, which had to do with a nativity scene as part of a holiday celebration downtown Pawtucket, Rhode Island, the court split almost evenly. The majority said that the nativity scene was okay, but the reason they said it was okay was basically it was surrounded by, all the kitsch of modern secular Christmas, by Santa Clauses and candy canes and cutout clowns. And the most hilarious part of it was a talking wishing well, but all this sort of kitsch. And some people were mad because they allowed a nativity scene on government property, celebrating Christmas, and how dare they allow that? And other people were mad by saying, how dare they say that nativity scenes are only okay when they're surrounded by all this secular kitsch? And so they really didn't satisfy anybody. And almost every case since then has been a closely divided court, and very hard to tell why they go one way or why they go the other. There's no clear principle involved. And then most recently, they finally came in with a not quite unanimous 7-2 a decision, but that's pretty strong majority in a case involving a very large 110 foot, I think it is, maybe, I forget, cross erected in Bladensburg, Maryland, as part of a World War I commemoration. And the court held 7-2 that this was not a violation of the Establishment Clause, basically reasoning that there are all kinds of symbols in public, and the symbol of one thing doesn't imply a rejection of anything else, and that where the history of the object is one where it has been, an accepted part and not particularly controversial, and it wasn't designed to denigrate any other religion or to hold that one religion is better than any other, that it is okay. I think that for lower courts, what they really have taken from this is that old symbols that have been around for a long time without controversy are not subject to challenge. So the court said, we shouldn't be like running around the country denuding the country of all of the various religious symbols that have been part of our culture for a long time. And I think that's going to calm things down, although there may still be flashes of controversy where politicians try to use religious symbols in order to make a particular point. We'll have to take those as they come.